This video shows you how to scan a document and save it to your Macintosh computer. Before you begin, make sure that the printer and the computer are connected to the same network. You can also connect the printer to the computer using a USB cable. The USB cable is sold separately. Load an original document into the automatic document feeder or on the scanner glass. From your Macintosh computer, open Printers and Scanners. And then add a printer. Select a printer. And then from the Use menu, select AirPrint. From the Scan tab, click Open Scanner. To change the scan settings, click Show Details. You can set the scan source, scan type, resolution, orientation, file name, or format before scanning a document. You can also set where you want to save the scanned document. Scan the document.